Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. So this is an 18 by 24 inch canvas, and all I want to do right now is start something, and that's going to be with an OXO armor turning flip and fold spatula and some paint. I might have to turn that sideways. Interesting. That's Orange Crush. I've got Dancing Fuchsia and Ginger Flower. And this is the Dancing Fuchsia. That looks just about the same. So I'm going to do something like put some deep amethyst in there right now with it. Royal Sapphire. Blue Velvet. I'll try. That's kind of what makes me want to do it again. I kind of want some black. But I've got this color on my spatula, on my brush. And I can't help it, it just begs me to play with it. Oh, I like that. Can always put more blue back. Contemplate whether I'm going to use a brush or a spatula. Oh, I found some paint with my fingers. Decor 24 karat gold. Decor Americana 24 karat gold. I want some pink carnation. I'm not sure why I'm being called so loudly to it. Not sure why I feel I need to fill in that white gap either. Kind of like white gaps. I've got little tools. Here's a catalyst tool from Princeton. I seldom, if ever, use. Really surprised how far that went. That's pretty cool. And use a little gold. And some black medium on the brush after, or maybe before. Maybe I'll use a different brush. I'd like to figure out a place to put these. This extra paint. Kind of like that. This is where the wet paint is right there, so I can't really do what I want. And that's at least making an interesting pattern. And use Fandango. I've got Groovy Guava, and I think I'm going to try some. Camouflage that little spleck. There's a new word. A spleck. This is Pebeo Iridescent Blue-Green. Which I definitely thought might be fun to try, and I believe I was correct. It's almost Christmas. I feel like I'm wrapping presents. Ooh, this turned out really nice. I like that. More Groovy Guava. Although, the tickled pink is calling me too. Let's start with one. Work on the other one after. Trying to get used to using brush strokes and being happy about it. I think I like the idea of pulling some paint right there. So I'm going to grab my, I think it was an art resin tool, but it could be a cake decorating tool easily enough. Alright, do I want to do any more? That's cool. I'm down with that. I like the idea of having some to dip. Leaving new patterns and textures. Trying to stagger them. Where was I going to go with that? The orange? Maybe. I've got Vivid Intense White. I kind of like what I've got so far. That's probably way more paint than I needed, but that's okay. I'll give it a shot anyway. I wish I'd cleaned my tools off. You should always clean your tools off. There, I still like that. So this dried over here, this little gold square. So I'm going to use some Groovy Guava. I'm thinking I'm going to go for some Chrysocolla, but I really, actually, think I might go back again and use the Pebeo Iridescent Blue Green. Which is not bothering me a bit. I think this has to be done in stages in order for me to get all the effects I want. And I don't want to put any lines in there, so for right now I'm going to call it good. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel, and if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, Volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.